The one business expense that you should never compromise on is your uniform. That's because your uniform has a big impact on how customers view you and how your team performs. In this video, I'm going to share what uniforms you should wear, how to brand those uniforms, and where to buy them. In this industry, uniforms are important for us to wear for a lot of reasons, but I want to share two with you. The first is that uniforms make us easy to identify. If your entire team is in the same uniform, there's no question who is on the cleaning staff. This means you won't get stopped by security and you'll be recognizable by your customer. A uniform really goes a long way in making your customers feel safe. The second is that uniforms help to maintain a professional appearance. If you want people to treat you and your team like professionals and pay you what your services are worth, you need to look the part. Your services are important and your appearance should reflect that. Wearing a uniform shows that you take that seriously, that you are a professional, and that you will do a great job cleaning. Now, there are a few different uniform options that we recommend, and I want to break down what those options are and when they're most appropriate. We have some really great bonus tips for you in this video, so stick around to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first option we have are polos. A lot of people in our industry wear polos, and that's because the collar makes them more business professional. For that reason, we highly recommend this option, especially for daytime cleaning. If you have day porters cleaning accounts during business hours in medical facilities or schools, for example, a polo is a really great option because you'll be in front of your customers and their customers regularly. And we want to look the part and be recognizable, right? We recommend polos in a dry fit material that is sweat wicking and comfortable to wear and move around in. Polos can be relatively inexpensive, but if you're just starting out and don't have the cash flow for polos, or on the other end of the spectrum, you have a large team that goes through uniforms quickly, you need to be more cost effective. In that case, a t-shirt is a really great option. T-shirts may not seem as professional as polos, but they can still look professional, especially when they are screen printed or embroidered with your logo, which for us is a must. We mentioned that polos are great for daytime cleaning when you're in front of your customers. Well, t-shirts are a great option for evening cleaning after business hours. If they're branded t-shirts, you will still be recognizable to security and in surveillance footage because a lot of businesses have security cameras. And there are things you can do to dress the t-shirt up. You can and you should tuck your shirt in. You should tuck your polo in as well. We did some research and Fruit of the Loom did a survey and found that people who tuck their shirts in make more than those who don't. They also found that people who tuck their shirts are happier at work and more optimistic about the future. So there is something to be said about tucking your shirt in. You can wear a belt for added professionalism, and we always recommend dark pants or khakis because they hide stains, dirt, and dust much better, and you'll get a lot more wear out of them over time. Next is clean, preferably dark shoes that are comfortable. You'll be on your feet, so running or training shoes are perfect. We have a bonus tip for you. Offering benefits to your team shows your appreciation of them and will help you to keep good employees for longer. So if you notice that members of your team are in need of better supportive shoes, why not offer a small stipend to each employee to go out and purchase a new pair each year, or order the shoes for them? We do this for our specialty services team, who are out finishing floors, standing for hours, and getting floor finish on their shoes. We do this because we care about them and we want them to have everything they need to do their jobs effectively. So if your budget allows, consider doing this for your team. I wanted to mention one last uniform option, and that is an apron. Cleaning requires many tools, as we know, and it can be helpful to have extra pockets. Well, an apron provides that option. They also look professional layered over a t-shirt or a polo, and you don't need to wash them as frequently because they are a layering piece. Because the apron is logoed, it gives you an option to wear a blank shirt underneath it. If it's the winter time, for example, I may choose to wear a black long sleeve or sweater underneath the apron instead. Finally, a big part of the uniform is grooming and hygiene. Set expectations for grooming and hygiene at the very beginning. Grooming is super important to the uniform, and some topics can be really difficult conversations to have with your staff. To avoid any awkward conversations later, make expectations part of your onboarding process. Talk about hair, makeup, laundry, and uniform care. Make sure that you're providing your team with enough uniforms to have a clean shirt every service. We recommend one shirt for every day of the week they are scheduled to work. Another bonus tip: put your uniform policy in writing and include it in your employee handbook. That way you can reference it later if you need to. Let's talk about branding. It is totally up to you whether or not to print or embroider your logo on your uniforms, but we highly recommend that you do, and this is why. If you or your team are performing services at one of your accounts in, let's say, a blank red polo, they may know that you are part of the cleaning staff, but they won't know which cleaning company. If another business owner that is in the market for a cleaning company is in one of your cleaning accounts doing business with your customer, if they see the logo on one of your uniforms, they then can search your business later. You wouldn't believe how many people approach our team in the coffee shop or even the grocery store asking, "What is OctoClean?" Because they see the logo on our shirts and they're curious. Use your uniform as a way to build your brand awareness and tell people who you are, because a color isn't going to do that alone. Our polos are embroidered on the left chest in either white or green. Our t-shirts are screen printed with our logo on the left chest as well, and the center back with our website. And our aprons are printed with our logo in white on the left chest. The white really stands out against the black a little bit better than the green, and that is the reasoning behind that decision. We stick to neutral colors for our polos, aprons, and shirts, and we stick to black, gray, and even navy, and we let our logo do the branding. This is because neutral colors are more sleek and professional, and they're dark colors, so they hide dirt and sweat a lot better than our company green would. I'm sharing what we do, but you can choose to use your company colors in the shirts themselves. That is up to you. For example, we use bright blue shirts for our landscaping company's uniforms because they're out in the sun, and this keeps them cooler than a black shirt would, as you can imagine, and it helps with branding as well. Before I sign off, I want to talk about where to purchase uniforms. If you are choosing to brand your shirts, there are really two routes you can take. You can source and set up the embroidery yourself with an online retailer like Vistaprint, Formprint, or any printing company that offers the service. This is a great and affordable option if you are smaller and not ordering very frequently. However, you are limited to the blanks that they have listed on their websites. Or you can build a relationship with a local printer who will handle the ordering for you, and all you have to do is send an email or call them over the phone to place your order. We have a large team and place orders frequently, so for us it makes sense to work with a local printer who can source the links we want, make recommendations, search low prices for us, and deliver the shirts directly to the office. It also allows for better quality control because we've developed a relationship with them, so our embroidery and screen printing is always really great. We can also get samples on hand before we print. It didn't take much to find our printer. Just do a local search in your area and reach out. Explain your needs and make an effort to build rapport. That way, if you need a rushed order or something goes wrong, they are willing to help. Having someone local means you can also deliver items to them to be embroidered. You often see Matt in a white button-down. He is often meeting customers and prospects, and a white button-down is more professional, so he'll shop his shirts and we'll send them to the embroiderer for him. We do the same for all the members of our sales team. If you are choosing not to brand your shirts, Amazon is a great source for blanks. Brands that we've used in the past and like include Heriton, Next Level, Optima, and Wear God for aprons. For a more expensive polo that is quality, we've used Antigua and Straight Down, which are golf brands. You also sometimes see us with pins when we're in business professional looks. Someone commented mentioning that they want some to award to staff. This is a great idea. Ours are from Galaxy Design Squad. They always do a great job. You may be wondering about jackets, hats, sweatshirts. What about those items? Well, we do a swag run twice a year and provide these specialty items to our internal teams. We are franchisors, so our franchises are responsible for purchasing their own uniforms and their staff's uniforms. To make ordering sweaters and accessories easier, we created an online store powered by Printful and Shopify where they can purchase these items, and so can you. These items are made to order and come in a variety of colors. Visit shop.octoclean.com to shop our store or click the store tab on our channel page. More designs are coming soon. That's it for this video on uniforms. If you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.